Looking for a stay in Manila Chinatown na may iconic view? Nahanap ko na. This is Sky Residence. Few minutes away lang from iconic Binondo Intramuros Bridge. From here, kitang-kita mo na ang breathtaking views ng Intramuros, Jones Bridge at buong Southern Manila skyline. Tara, pasok tayo. Pagpasok mo pa lang, ramdam mo na agad yung spacious at modern Chinoy home vibes. Unang mapapansin mo ang kusina. Hindi lang pang display, pwede ka talaga magluto dito. May stove, oven toaster, microwave, pati mga gamit para makapagluto ka ng proper meal. Perfect kung magstay ka ng ilang araw at ayaw mong puro kain sa labas. Meron din silang washing machine, so anytime pwede ka maglaba. Super convenient lalo na kung family stay or long term ka dito. Yung living and dining area maluwag at comfortable. Tapos kahit yung living room nila may sariling toilet. Actually lahat ng bedrooms dito may sariling bathroom din, so no more pila-pila. Speaking of bedrooms, very cozy at inviting ang vibe. Malambot at malinis yung kama. Tapos yung view facing Intramuros and Binondo Intramuros Bridge. Imagine waking up with that view. Ang sarap siguro magstay dito. To be honest, sobrang homey ng vibes dito na gusto ko na tuloy tumira dito. Kung contractor lang ako, baka dito na ako lumipat. Joke. Of course, hindi mawawala ang pool. And it's overlooking Binondo Intramuros Bridge. Perfect spot for sunrise. Gaganahan ka talagang gumising at mag-swimming dito. Meron din silang gym at indoor activities area, so hindi ka maboboard kahit whole day ka dito. And good news, may rainy season promo sila ngayong September and October. 2 bedrooms starts at 4,000 plus, 3 bedrooms at 9,000 plus, and 4 bedrooms at 13,000 plus. Ilalagay ko yung link sa comment section para madali nyong ma-check at makapag-book. Honestly, kung ako tatanungin, gusto ko talaga magstay dito ng New Year's Eve para makita ko yung fireworks from above. So kung naghahanap kayo ng staycation spot sa Manila na malapit sa Chinatown, malapit sa Intramuros at homey feels with iconic views, Sky Residence is worth checking out.